Guys, I just made a build. It's probably not too nice of a build for the price, but that's what I made. First PC build I've ever done. So to start off with the build, we got an MSI R9 380 gaming 4GB graphics card. That'll be able to run every game 60 FPS high settings. Samsung 250GB SSD, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 600 watt power supply, 2 terabyte hard drive, a Corsair case, which I looked over. It looks pretty sick. An Intel 4, you can overclock it to 4 gigahertz. This is 3.2. Quad core i7. This MSI Computer Corp Intel. It's made for Intel. But this is a really good computer, or at least from my perspective. Honestly, if you want to go cheaper, get rid of this and type in Intel. Get an i5 quad core. Look how much cheaper that is. 3.5 gigahertz. This is a quad core, I'm pretty sure. 4 cores, 4 threads, yeah. This is it's cheaper i5, so get that. It's gonna be $100 cheaper, around $100 cheaper, and your computer will still be able to run any game at high settings and stuff. You can get a processor for making videos, games. I don't know. The i7 is just for looks and stuff, but this is a really good processor. And yeah, that's the build. And if you need a monitor, BenQ gaming monitor. It's a 24-inch 1ms response time 1080p monitor, $170. So that's your total if you want to get a decent. You'll be able to run most stuff for a long time. For $1,036. But that's for a monitor too. If you already have a monitor, don't even bother unless you want 2 monitors. If you have a crappy monitor, just get this. I'm getting that monitor. I don't need to get all these things, but yeah, this is the PC I'm gonna build. It's going to be pretty sick. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. And tell me if you want to see another PC build. If you do, leave a like. And tell me.